Cupcakes, cakes, baking with Emma and Katie. Hey guys, and welcome back to Baking with Emma and Katie. Katie here, and today we are going to be baking some chocolate fudge brownies. This is the Pillsbury box mix, and yeah, so let's get started. So what you're going to need is you are going to need a big mixing bowl, one-fourth cup of water, 2/3 cup of canola oil, and 2 eggs. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour my brownie mix into my large mixing bowl. Smells delicious. Now we are going to add our 1/4 cup of water and our 2/3 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil. Now I'm just going to add my 2 eggs. So now that I got all my ingredients inside my bowl, I'm just going to take my hand mixer and I'm going to put it on the lowest setting, which is 1 for me. And I'm just going to start mixing it until it's all well combined, and you can keep speeding it up as you go. You can now treat yourself by licking the little spatula thingy-mabobber. So excuse the noises of the sink, my mom is washing the dishes. And at this time you can set your oven to 350 degrees or whatever your box mix says to set your oven to. Mine says 350 degrees. So I'm just going to go over to my oven and I'm just going to preheat the oven. Okay. And I guess mine is already at 350. So now you're just going to take a little pan and you're going to line it with tin foil and then spray some cooking oil in the pan. And I will show you guys a little bit later why you need the tin foil. So now I'm just going to take a spatula and I'm just going to take my brownie mix and I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in to the pan right in the center. And then I'm just going to take my spatula and I'm going to get all the sides. Now I'm going to take the exact same spatula that I used to pour the batter into the pan, and I'm just going to even out all the batter, because when I poured it in, it didn't really go all evenly. So I'm just gonna kind of play around with it, get it into the corners, and wiggle it around and try to make it nice and even. And don't worry about making it flat; it will flatten out by itself. This looks pretty even, right, Mama? Yeah. Okay. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pat my pan on the table like this so that it releases all the air bubbles from under it. So you get a good, yummy brownie. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop my brownies into the oven. gonna set my timer for 29 minutes. And now I'm just gonna clean up this bowl while I'm waiting for my brownies to be finished baking. So to clean a bowl like this, all you're gonna need to do is take your hand soap or dishwashing soap, and you're just going to pour it in at the bottom. Just like so. And then you're going to fill it up with water. And kind of like put your water up against the sides of your bowls, because it's kind of like taking away that brownie batter and moving it in towards the center of the bowl. Does that make sense? Sorry if it doesn't. I'm not really that best at explaining stuff. So once I filled up my bowl, I'm just going to roll up my sleeves. And I'm just going to take my sponge, and I'm just going to start, ooh, that's hot water. And I'm just going to start taking my sponge and rubbing the sides of the bowl to get all that extra brownie batter off the sides of the bowl and into the center and kind of into the water. And then when I finish cleaning off my bowl, I'm just gonna go ahead and dump all the water out. And then it's up to my mom to clean the room. Okay, so the brownies are done. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out of the oven. And now, we're just gonna go ahead and let it cool. So to help the brownies cool a lot quicker, because the pan is really hot, so what I'm gonna do is, here's the way, this is how the tin foil comes in handy. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the tin foil and we're gonna unfold it from the sides. And then lift it up. Quickly move the pan. And there we go. So that is how the tin foil comes in wicked good handy when you are baking a brownies. If you are a person like me and you love fresh, warm brownies, then all you're gonna need to do after you set it on your cooling rack is take a knife, and you're just gonna go ahead and start cutting little teeny squares. All right, guys, here's the taste test. Delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and watch out for other videos. All right, guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow, so happy St. Patrick's Day. Enjoy your brownies, and we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.